Hola Amigos, we are The Roots. In this vlog we are sharing with you the ups and downs of our mission to travel and experience as much from life as possible. Please join us on this our journey. So, Mr. Root, where are we up to now?
On today's episode, we share a compilation of details that creep up between the big projects we already tackled. And yes, the devil is in the details.
Hola again, amigos. So here we are dealing with a bunch of little projects. First project of the list. You see, our barbecue is been sitting on the dirt since the day we moved in. So we decided to add a 4x6 plus minus slab of concrete next to our terrace concrete to be able to put the barbecue on a clean surface. And at the same time, move the barbecue out from the bottom of the eave of the terrace roof. You know, it can catch on fire. So of course we went through the whole process of leveling and compacting the dirt and forming the edges. Of course we reinforced the concrete with rebar mesh. And we top it all off with 20 bags of nice and creamy concrete.
Much as I know it should, I wanna get high on, caught by surprise by you. Want you to.
Then we towel in, and at the end, we broom and salt finish it for good looks. So even though we poured concrete before with the kids, this was a great opportunity for the kids to practice a little more. And honestly, the slab came up really good.
Things turn around, didn't ever think they could. I'm done with the bad.
Project number 2 was to paint the exterior of the house.
Settled in the world.
This honestly took a few weeks to complete, and we all got to participate.
Stepped on a path that led me straight to you.
The house desperately needed a fresh start.
But things are looking up.
And then, for whatever reason, we kind of forgot to film the part where we install our brand new cabinets. But for the time being, here is project number 3 in this video. Installing the kitchen handles. We kinda tired of getting our fingers smashed. So yes, I went through the whole process of measuring, pre-drilling and installing the handles and trying not to lose my mind and my patience with it. At the end, they come up looking great. And in case you're wondering, at this point, we still don't have countertops. And to be honest, it will be a while before we get to tackle that other project. Now, project number 4 on the list, the baseboards. I gotta say that this was a lot of fun to do. Painful on the knees and back, but very satisfying. The baseboard just changes the look of a house completely, making it feel complete and clean and, my God, finished. Of course, after living in the house for over 6 to 8 months in a construction zone, the baseboard was very satisfying to do.
I know how to love you.
Then we cold campaign the whole enchilada. And thank God, the baseboards came up also looking good.
Thank you for hanging out with us today. Please give us a big thumbs up. Consider subscribing if you haven't done so yet. And until next time, hasta luego, amigos.